Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. You already know we're up to something crazy today. Whenever we make videos,
especially when I'm here.
Yeah, when Flacco's here, you know we're about to mess shit up. You know, like it states in the title, we're about to powder coat some car parts for his engine bay, just to make it look a little bit more neater and nicer. We got a big project here. We got a couple things. We got a powder coat, which is like the manifold, turbo housing, some motor mounts he got from. Shout out to rickfabbs hooking us up with some crazy ass motor mounts. If you guys are looking for any fourth bracket motor mounts, or you guys want to delete your upper motor mount, get your K-frame out, make sure to hit up rickfabbs. I'll make sure to leave his link down below. That guy does some amazing fabrication work, you know.
Best price, good
Hell
deal.
Yeah, he'll hook you up. So with that said, this guy got those mounts, so his engine bay is gonna look way cleaner, and hopefully next year he'll probably shave his engine bay. But for now, we gotta get these done, powder coated, and you know,
ready for spring.
Yeah, get it ready for 2021 car shows.
Hopefully.
He wants to compete next to me, so he has to catch up real quick.
I know, for real.
It's pretty much like I have to catch up to his exterior, you know, with bags and
wheels,
splitters and all that. And this guy's to catch up with the engine,
with the
engine.
The engine. Falling behind.
Yeah, so we're one category differently, you know?
Yeah, that's true. We're all starting from different points.
Yeah, let's get to this because it's going to be a long night. Let's get it, boys. All right, guys, check it out. I already got it started. I pretty much ended up cleaning them all up. We got turbo in here, cooking up, baking, pre-bake before powder. There it is, guys. Now I'm gonna give it a last wash, prep it, and then shoot the powder. Let's get it, boys. Flock over there, stressing out. Colder than shit, he said. You cold? You cold? Are you cold?
Nah, I'm pretty warm right now.
There it is, boys. Cut out the bracket, the battery. The battery training bracket on the SRT. Shorten it out.
Cut it out, rounded it out. Left this little stubby for my colder intake and my vacuum solenoids.
Yeah.
So it's ready.
Alright, guys, as you guys see, we're ready to shoot some powder. And yeah, wish us luck, guys. Come back at you guys once these things are powdered up. Alright, boys, we got done shooting the powder on these parts. It looks freaking badass. It looks pretty damn good, actually. We got it powdered up. Now it's time to cook these in the oven. But they look spotless. He's gonna go with this white, and then we're gonna shoot that red and the turbo housing red. And a little piece red, but this is gonna be the first cook right here. Damn, kid! Who's ready for cookies? Look at that, bro. Look at that shit, bro. That shit looks clean. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.
Got the heat shield right here. A-frame
So
mount.
smooth.
Any imperfections?
Smooth.
Shine the light.
Pretty good.
It's gonna look clean. Can't wait to install it.
I mean, this beats paint,
For sure.
you know, so
Safer too.
yeah. Get ready because we got big surprise coming in. The homie Trevor got some good shit coming
Goodies.
in, you know, so stay tuned, boys.
Good.
All right, we'll get back once we're ready for the red powder coat to go on. Okay, boys, you ready? Powder coat the turbo. done powder coating the manifold there, and it's gonna be time to cook that shit. It's gonna take a while, so. But look at that hot Cheeto-ness right there.
Yeah.
It's a mess, right? It's a mess, guys. But damn, that looks clean already.
Hell yeah.
Finally, after almost 7 hours of prep and powdering and cooking and all that stuff, we are finally complete with this project here. Flacko, how do you feel right now? Give them a little review of my works here.
First off, I'm exhausted, but long ass hours. Well, anyways, as you can see here, this thing came out flawless.
Flawless work.
Radiator brackets came out clean. We got the, what is this called again?
The actuator?
Actuator? I don't know.
Some crap.
Yeah, well, anyway, look at this.
We got all of this done, boys. That looks freaking good.
Hell yeah. Can't wait to put it on.
What do you think?
Come on, big.
Give me a review right now.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 5 stars. We got some more shit over there too. This white came out amazing too.
Look at this, boys. We got everything done. Turbo, show them the turbo.
This turbo's sick too.
Got the housing on it already.
Check out the contrast.
That's good.
You guys already saw his SRT4. For those that didn't, he has a red valve cover, the same color as this. Just the intake is red, but it's a different shade. He's gonna end up fixing it.
Yeah.
But other than that, boys, he is ready to put it together already.
Just need a transmission painted. And then we'll go from there.
There's all the red.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was pretty fun, but long process. You know, so you know, I had to hook up my brother.
Or if you guys want any power coated parts, hit him up. I don't know if he wants to do it or not, but
Mentee's coating.
Mentee coating right here. But I recommend it 100%.
Yeah, and I just did this for fun, guys. I pretty much just did this just to finish my car.
Yep.
But gotta hook the homies up, you know what I'm saying? New videos coming weekly. I'm trying, but the weather's not playing with us in the right page.
I know.
You know what I'm saying? It's really cold outside. Ain't much to do. You know, it just sucks right now. But as soon as spring comes, I'm planning on tuning my car. So stay tuned for that too. Get that thing running good. Already know, got the new wheels. And hopefully bagging it this year too. So that's a big goal for me. And I hope. Be ready for announcement video of one of our homies got something good, you know, so stay tuned for that. You know,
guys gotta stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Always come back for them bangers. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. It helps us out, helps the channel out, and we bring out more videos for you guys. And always make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll never miss another Stance At This video again. And like that, boys, have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, and we're out. Peace.